In today's video, I'm going to teach you Chip Music Bot Setup Guide. By the end, you'll have the Chip Music Bot added to your Discord server and ready to go. This walkthrough uses the built-in app directory in Discord, so there's nothing extra to download. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into Discord on desktop or in a browser and that your account has the managed server permission on the server where you want to add the bot. Without that permission, Discord won't let you complete the installation. Start by opening Discord. On the left sidebar, find and click the server where you want Chip to live. If you're in a lot of servers, hovering over the icons will show their names to help you pick the right one. Once you're in the server, open the menu and head into server settings. From there, look for the app directory. This is Discord's official catalog of verified apps and bots, and it's the safest place to add them. Inside the app directory, go to the moderation and tools category to narrow down your search. In the search bar at the top, type Chip Music. You should see an entry for Chip, the music bot. Click on Chip to open its details page. This page shows what the bot does, the permissions it requests, and community information so you can verify you're adding the correct app. When you're ready, click Add App. Discord will then prompt you to add the app to a server. Choose your server from the drop-down list. If you don't see your server, double-check that you're logged into the correct account and that you have the right permissions on that server. After selecting the server, click Continue. Next, you'll see a list of permissions the bot is asking for, such as connecting to voice channels, reading messages, and using /commands. Review these carefully. These permissions allow Chip to join voice channels and play music reliably. If everything looks good, click Authorize. You may be asked to complete a quick verification to confirm you're not a bot yourself. That's it. The bot is now added to your server. You should see a confirmation in Discord once the process completes. If your server uses role-based permissions, it can be helpful to place the bot's role high enough in your role list to avoid conflicts, especially for voice and text permissions. If the bot appears offline right after adding, give it a moment. Most bots come online shortly. Should anything seem off, revisit server settings to confirm the permissions you approved match your server's rules. Enjoy your new music bot and have fun hosting listening sessions with your community.